Hello everyone, my name is Shubh Sharma and I welcome you all to this pre-market report. Let's start with US market. Yesterday US market gave a fantastic closing. It closed at 300 points positive. It mainly because of labor data that came and it was better than expected. Nasdaq closed at 200 plus points positive and S&P 500 closed at 53 points positive. At the time of recording, the US 30 is trading at 23 points positive. Now, let's talk about FII and DIA data. Even though yesterday we opened above 150, 170 points gap up, still FII sold worth of 100 crores. It's less as compared to previous selling. DII bought close to 2000 crores. Now Asian markets are trading flat to positive and Nikkei is trading 500 plus points positive. So that's a very positive sentiment. Now let's talk about Nifty and Bank Nifty, very important. Yesterday, even though Nifty opened about 24,900 at one point it was trading about 25,000, but it couldn't sustain at 25,000 and it fell and closed at 24,827. Now the major resistance for Nifty is 25,000. I also exited 50% of my positions at 25,000. Yesterday in my pre-market I said very clearly that 25,000 holds a very important resistance. Yes, I exited 50% I'm still holding. I will hold with 24,350 stop loss. For me, 25,000 and 24,600 is a range now. Beyond this only we can see one side move. I believe for me 25,000 holds a very important resistance and support is kicking in at 24,600, 24,700. So 24,600, 24,700 holds a very important support for Nifty. Let's talk about Bank Nifty. Even though the similar case, Bank Nifty underperformed as compared to Nifty. Now let's look Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty closed at 54,293. Important support is still at 53,900 and important resistance is 54,500. For me, I'm expecting a consolidation between these range. Same thing with Nifty and Bank Nifty. Now, other sectors, if you look, except auto and FMCG, almost all the sectors were in red. So this shows that even though we had a fantastic GST rate cut, given by governments and all these things, still tariff is a major concern that FII are looking at. For us, tariff are the bigger threat than any positive news in the market. So once this tariff threat and all these things will be settled and it will be cleared out and out of the market, and definitely market is definitely touching the all-time high. I'm very much confident. Now look at FMCG, look at auto. Still I'm believing that fantastic moves will come. Look at, as a trader you can look for these stocks. Look at Nykaa, look at Indus Tower, all these stocks, even HDFC Bank. Yesterday I told you that HDFC Bank's looking strong. Even Reliance, where I said looking strong, but it closed at 11 points negative. But look at HDFC Bank, right? HDFC Bank's very strong. 960 holds a strong support. Look for any move in HDFC Bank if you can capture. So this is it for P-Market video. I hope you enjoyed it. Watch those levels, mark those levels on your charts and trade accordingly. I'll see you in the next pre-market video. Thank you.